Glorious is a velvety soft face primer that will prep your skin for makeup application that will stay porcelain perfect all day or night. It fills in fine lines and wrinkles to help create a smooth, flawless canvas for your makeup application, resulting in smoother looking skin and longer wearing makeup without the makeup fading, cracking, or settling into those pesky little fine lines. Here's how you use Glorious Primer. Letting the primer rest allows it to fully set up, which helps your makeup stay all day.